This brief video will demonstrate CyberloQ's MFA, multi-factor authentication capabilities. The CyberloQ app is used to authenticate bank cards, websites, databases, IoT, and more. Users of the app can have an unlimited number of products and services in their CyberloQ app account. Along with the ability of the user to authenticate, the CyberloQ app has geofencing, which enables the administrator of a product or service to authenticate users only in certain areas throughout the world. This area can be a country, a city, or even down to a building in a city block. The first demonstration will be the Pinnacle Debit Bank Card. When CyberloQ is attached to a bank card, the card must be turned on or turned to active using the CyberloQ app before the card can be used for purchases. Cards attached to the CyberloQ system are always off or blocked by default, meaning the user must turn their card on by using the CyberloQ app before making any purchases. For someone to compromise a card, they would have to be in possession of the user's smartphone, know the user's CyberloQ app PIN, and be inside the user's prescribed geofence. All three factors must be in place to gain access to the user's card. Now, let's authenticate a website. Keep in mind this demo is applicable to databases or any other internet-based portal that requires usernames and passwords. When CyberloQ is attached to a website or a database, the account must be activated in the CyberloQ app before the user enters their conventional username and password. If the user enters their login credentials before being activated by CyberloQ, the user will not gain access to the website or database. Once the user activates the account in the CyberloQ app, they will then be able to enter their login credentials and be granted access. As with bank cards, someone would have to be in possession of the smartphone, know the CyberloQ app PIN, be inside the prescribed geofence, and know the username and password before gaining access to the website or database. When CyberloQ is paired to use with conventional usernames and passwords, the need to change passwords frequently can be reduced. Also, sharing usernames and passwords will no longer work for anyone except the user who has the account in their CyberloQ app. The administrators of the bank card, website, database, or any other product or service attached to the CyberloQ have the ability to receive real-time text messages and/or emails sent with information on who logs in, date, time, and location of each activation. Our admin backend web portal shows extensive data on all users and all accounts, along with maps showing locations of all activations in real time. Unlike other MFA systems, the CyberloQ system authenticates in real time. There is no need to wait for an authentication code to come in via text or email. There is no need to transcribe an authentication code. The CyberloQ system is dynamic, powerful, eloquent, and easy to use. CyberloQ can issue private labeled bank debit cards customized to the client's needs that are attached to the CyberloQ MFA system. For clients with existing websites, databases, or IoT, our technicians can supply the APIs and code needed to incorporate the CyberloQ MFA system into their products. For a video-based demo or to schedule a direct meeting, please contact Mark Carton, Chief Technology Officer, CyberloQ Technologies, Inc., mark@cyberloq.com, 401-286-1177.